Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a DIY flower wall. Now, if you were to buy something like this in the store, you're liable to pay around 50 bucks for the regular price. But me personally, I don't think that the materials that were used to create this wall art actually equals $50. So I decided that I would make a dupe to the Hobby Lobby Floral Cascade wall art for about $10. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the materials, you will need a hot glue gun, a ruler, a wooden rod, and some type of string. I'm actually using twine, some scissors, and the flowers of your choice. For the first step, you want to go ahead and measure your string. The length is totally up to you, as you can make it as short or as long as you want. I actually cut some pieces short and then some pieces long to give it that abstract look. My shortest piece was about 48 inches, and then my longest piece was probably about 60 inches. Again, it's totally up to you on how short or how long you want it. Now, once the pieces are cut, you can attach them to your wooden rod. I spaced mine out about 4 to 5 inches apart. Now, if you want to ensure that the strings stay on the wooden rod, you can do an extra step by just putting some hot glue on the knots of the string to adhere them to the wooden rod. In order to get the flowers attached to the string, I will destem them so that we are only left with the flower bud. Now that the strings are attached and our flowers have been pulled apart from the stems, we can now add our flowers. Now, the key to adding the flowers to the string is that you want to add the hot glue between the flower and the green base of the flower. If your buds don't have the green base at the bottom of it, then you can simply just add the hot glue to the end of the bud and just lay it parallel to the string. That way it can adhere to the string, and you can kind of twist the string a little bit to ensure that the hot glue actually sticks to the string and to the flower itself. Now, please be careful. The glue is super hot, so you don't want to burn yourself. I'm pretty sure I burned myself at least 3 times in this video, but I'm a G, so it's all good. And also, just an FYI, I'm actually making this wall art for my patio. I am in the process of revamping my patio area, and the colors of the flowers are the colors that I am using for my patio. So please stay tuned for the 2-part series of me revamping my patio area. So now that the first few flowers are attached, we can go ahead and complete the rest of the strings. Once you have all of your flowers attached, you can now hang up your DIY floral wall. I thought this turned out pretty good, if I do say so myself. I love the different colors and the different types of flowers. I think it would be super cool if you actually use some of the clear fishing rod string, which could give you the effect of floating flowers. So that may be another video that I do, as I do have plenty of flowers left over from today's video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do so.